This video shows you how to change the video output format on an HDX using the remote control. If you can't see the user interface on the system's monitor, usually it's because the output format the HDX is using does not match the output format going to the main monitor. The 5 output options are Composite, S-Video, VGA, Component, and DVI. To change the output format, first make sure that the system and the monitor are both powered on. Then, point the remote at the IR sensor on the camera. Press and hold the display button for 5 seconds. Use the up and down arrow keys to display the new video format in the remote control window. Press the right arrow key to save your changes. If you selected the correct output format, your monitor will show the HDX user interface. If you select a format that is not supported by the system, the default output format named Component is applied. This concludes the tutorial.